Hi guys, this is Shannon from MMT. This is 10 money spots in 10 minutes. Let's go.
We're in.
You're on.
We're in. Counter's on. Leo's on the clock. How are we, guys?
Woo, good.
It's a little bit of payback. Shan did my front, so we're starting with her back today. This is top of the head. So there's a little bit of a money spot in here somewhere. How's that going, Shan?
Great.
She seems to be enjoying it a little bit.
It's kind of nice.
It's all right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll just let you enjoy this one.
Thank you.
So we're working down the back of the body this time. I think this is going to be a bit of a series of you and me, isn't it, Shan?
Yeah,
We'll do the side of the body.
Yep.
And then we've got to get some payback. You'll have to get payback for me on the back, and I've got to get payback for you on the front.
Yep, yep.
20 seconds in, Shan. How's it
Sounds
going?
pretty
Is it
good.
getting worse? Is it getting better?
It's just there, I think,
just
right
is.
now. It just
It
is.
just is.
But it's cool.
So we've got some obscure ones for you today. It's not the standard little, money spots. It's just some obscure stuff. So I've left 10 seconds on the clock, I think, for the changeover. So I've got a little bit of time to get myself cemented. 2, 1, 10 seconds. Come out of that. Bit of Cairo. Hang on, get down, Shan, get down.
Oh my god.
All right, now we've got suboccipitals. We're on.
Payback part, seriously.
We're on. That was a legit adjustment. All right. That's gonna... HR.
Ow.
All right, how's that one, Shan?
Yeah, she's
Is there a bit more in that one?
Yeah, she's in there a lot.
She's in there.
She's good.
Good for headaches, this one.
Very good.
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah,
Looks like it'd give you a
good.
headache. But... So yeah, this is where the neck muscles...
Muscle.
She's enjoying this far too much. This is hardly payback, is it? But yeah, this is where they all go and attach to, the muscles that extend your neck like this.
Just torn those up.
Yeah, true. She needs it. What are we on to?
10.
10. What's next? Infraspinatus?
Yeah.
Infra. This is Mikey's muscle.
Yeah. Get it in the spinatal.
Oh, that's good.
It's good. Oh, 10 seconds. I'll be a bit nicer on my dismounts now. Okay. 6 seconds. Ready, Shan? Elbow down. Ready? We're in. And we're off to the races here. We're off to the races. Ooh.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's pretty good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Money spots. Oh, that's good stuff. So why do you like this muscle so much, Mike?
It's just the cause of all pain, Aaron.
It is, you
Links and
reckon?
everything. Yep.
Yeah, this one, where I get this treated, it refers straight through to the front of my shoulder.
Yep.
You getting a bit of that now, Shan?
Yep. Sure am. Oh, Lord.
So we're doing some obscure ones today. Normally do like medial border and money spot in the lower back, but we're going to try and change it up for you just to show you a few different parts of the body. Is that giving you quite a bit of curry there, Shan?
Yeah.
What are we up to there on the clock?
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
It's in my forearm.
Ooh. 3,
2, 1, and dismount. Beautiful, Shan. We've got a mid-back scoop right in here.
Oh my god.
What do we got here on the clock?
2, 1.
And we're in. So in the laminar grooves there, just let her body take that, and then we'll go in a little bit deeper. It's going to be a long scoop, isn't it?
Yeah.
I can't do the scoop, I've got to hold for a bit. So Shan can kind of tell me if she feels like I can even get closer to the bone in there, Shan.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is really good for people that have that just constant tension in the middle of their back, that always feel the need to stretch. So we can kind of blunten it, and we can actually, if they need it, sharpen it a little bit like that. She's doing good though. How you going, Shan?
Yeah, good.
Are you going to pull out any kind of democracy manifest?
No, I was thinking about it, but no.
4,
We'll see.
2, 1, and dismount. Well done, Shan. What do we got? Piriformis. You ready, Shan?
Yeah.
Darcy's favourite.
Darcy loves the piriformis, does he? So we're going from the other side, and then we're just going to pull back in and hold that there. I feel like this muscle gets blamed for a lot when there's a lot of other things in the glute too that could be to blame. But yeah, this muscle, the reason why people kind of implicate it in a lot of things is that the sciatic nerve runs pretty closely to it, sometimes even straight through it too. So people like to blame hip pain and sciatica and anything like that on the piriformis, but the truth is there's a lot of other things in the glute too that could be causing the pain, but it gets a bad rap. How's that, Shan?
Yeah, can you come up a little bit?
A little bit high. You're probably not piriformis then, eh?
Oh, that's where I saw.
Okay, I'll just dig back in a little bit. So it attaches to the sacrum, so hooking back up into there and then out to the greater trochanter in here. So Shan felt like she needed a little bit more hooking back into the sacrum.
3,
2, 1, and sinking out here. All right, we've got Magnus. So it's not hamstring, it's Magnus. It's like the fourth hamstring, but it's actually an adductor. So we're going to hook in, trying to get into the groin, and then hooking back up in here. Shan says she loves this one.
Magnus Zabansky.
Magda. Magnus Zabansky. Babe. That'll do, pig.
That'll do, pig.
That'll do. There you go. There's your 90s Australian input. That'll do, pig. How's that, Shan?
Yeah, good babe.
Good, babe. Good, pig.
You can go a bit more if you want.
All right, okay.
Yeah, there's not enough curry.
You want more curry?
More curry.
Yeah,
All
give
right.
me some what's it called? Tikka masala? Tikka masala?
Chicken tikka masala.
Oh, yeah.
10.
She wanted it. Good work, Shan. Next one's bicep femoris. So we're going to do a little bit of a lower hamstring. So you see this muscle here that I can flick over? That's the bicep femoris. So we're just going to pin that sucker. Gently. Oh, now you want gentle. So this muscle here, this is the outside hamstring. And this is like the action muscle of the hamstring. So the one that kind of is mostly related to explosivity when you're performing sports, I guess. So yeah, if you're like Shan's very active, plays footy, has done a lot of athletics in the past. So this one is probably been utilised a lot throughout her life. So it's probably got a bit of curry in it, especially if I like start to move it around a little bit and just, there it is. See that? You can see me flicking over it there.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christi. You got me a good Jesus Christi for Christmas, didn't you? Remember that? I got the great man.
Praise be.
That's good, Shan. Really good. So I'm just flossing it. It's super ropey. If you feel this on yourself at home, it's very ropey. Rest. All right, perineals next. Johnny Eels. All right, so this attaches to the head of the fibula. Big strandy muscle that comes down here. We're just going to pin that sucker on Shan.
Thanks, Leo.
It is a bit hot in here, isn't it? The towel man. I'm pretty sure you were the towel man last time too. But you had the whiteboard though, didn't you?
Ah!
Is there a bit in that, Shan?
Yeah, quite a bit. It's nice though.
It's definitely a money spot, isn't it though? It's just
Yeah.
straight onto it.
Handy.
How's the money spots been today, Shan? Which one's been the most carry? Which one's been the most enjoyable?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't answer that right now.
Can't answer that right now. Is this the third last one?
Yeah.
She's done pretty well.
I like the top of the head. It's quite weird, but
Love the one.
it's quite funny.
13 to go.
Shit.
10.
10 to go. 2 to go after this.
So sore.
Democracy manifest.
Come out of it. All right. You ready for some Achilles, Shan? We're going to do the pick up and twist. What do we got?
Pick up, twist.
And go. So we just pinch it. We can pick it up. We can bend it. It's just a minute of just all Achilles. So if you've got Achilles pain, you probably look at this and you'd want it, but you kind of don't at the same time because you can relate to the fact that Achilles stuff can be so raw that like any kind of touch can be just so brutal. But Yeah, if it's old and chronic and if it's just stuck, yeah, this stuff can be awesome for it too.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling it in my other leg right there. That's so fucking weird.
Really?
It's shooting all the way to the other Achilles. I'm not even kidding.
Wow, that's incredible. Really?
Yeah, it's like right in the same spot.
It's a bit of bloody voodoo, eh?
Yeah.
Still going.
Yeah, it's strong.
That's good. Bit of transference. What do we got on the clock there, Leo?
5.
It's going pretty quick.
It has. Considering I have a client in like 2 minutes.
Oh yeah, you do. That's why we did 10 money spots in 10 minutes, eh? Last one is the foot, and we might do some ankle, some toe cracking too, eh? Just to finish her off. All right, here we go.
Get in there.
Get in there.
This is the best.
That's the best so far, you reckon?
Best. It hurts, but it's the best.
Lots of layers in the foot. So plantar fascia, but there's a lot more that goes on too. You got like 30 odd bones, 30 odd joints in here. You got all the muscles that come from the lower leg, the calf, that attach up into here too. So yeah, it's a lot more than just the plantar fascia in this area. So it's good to get the elbow in there sometimes just to hydrate everything and free some stuff up, get some flow going in here. Feeling good?
Yeah, doing great.
She's just too cruisy, eh?
That's good. Right there. Yeah.
Hooking down a little bit more in there. It's good shit. Which one's the Shannon on? Is this the Shannon side?
No,
4 seconds. 2, 1, and done. Well done, Shan. You survived pretty good. I'm just going to do some toe cracking just to finish us off, eh? Come in here, Mike. All right. Get the mic. Come in here, Mike and Mike. That one doesn't... Oh, it spoke over it. What a pelican. Oh. Where's the other one?
Oh, this is sex.
That one doesn't want to go. Done, Shan.
You!
Fixed.
Done so.
Thanks for joining us. Get to work.
And like 10 minutes, everyone. Enjoy.
Done.